Peppa Pig making a birthday cake for Daddy Pig.
At the afternoon, Peppa is helping Mom clean the house.
Mom, do you need any more help?
Please help me clean the table too.
Peppa cleans and she looks at calendar on the table. She suddenly realized that this weekend is Peppa's dad's birthday. Peppa goes to her mom and George tells them about Peppa's dad's birthday.
Mom, I just saw on the calendar and realized that it is Dad's birthday this weekend.
Oh right, I'm almost forgot. Thank you for reminding me.
So this weekend, let's make a surprise birthday party for Dad.
That sounds great. Let's do it.
Daddy's Day. Peppa Pig's family say goodbye to Peppa's dad when he goes to work in the morning.
Have a nice day, Dad.
Thank you, kids. Today will be a wonderful day.
Goodbye, darling.
Goodbye, Daddy.
Goodbye, everyone. See you.
Peppa's dad drives away from home to go to work and excited for a new day. Peppa Pig's family talk about a plan to surprise Peppa's dad.
What surprise should we give for Dad?
How about a birthday cake, Mom?
That sounds great. Peppa's dad loves cake. Let's go to the supermarket to buy ingredients to make a birthday cake.
Peppa Pig's family go to the supermarket and buy ingredients to make birthday cake. Going to the supermarket.
What should we buy to make a birthday cake?
I think we need eggs and milk.
Exactly, let's take it.
Mom, I think we should buy butter and flour.
Good job, Peppa. To make cake, we need butter and flour.
We have to buy some candles too, because it's a birthday cake.
That's right, it can't be a birthday cake without candles.
This family continues shopping for tonight's party and return home with bags full of food. Baking time.
Kid, let's start making cake. What should we start with first?
It's butter.
Very good. We will start with butter. What's next?
I think it's sugar, eggs, and flour.
Exactly. Next we will put in sugar, eggs, and flour. What's next, kids?
Next, we will put milk in.
Good job, Peppa. We will put milk in. Then we'll stir everything together.
Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up.
Mom, I want stir it too.
Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up.
All right, kids, let's bake the cake.
Peppa's mother put the cake in the oven, and we will wait a few hours. The cake is ready.
Kids, let's decorate birthday cake together.
Yes, Mommy.
What a beautiful birthday cake. Peppa's dad will probably love it. Peppa's dad go home.
Surprise!
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Let's sing happy birthday song to Peppa's dad together.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Peppa Dad. Happy birthday to you.
Peppa take the birthday cake and give to dad.
Surprise, Dad! A yummy birthday cake that we made with Mom for your birthday.
Wow, that's so sweet. Thank you, kids. That looks so delicious. I wish our family would always be happy.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Please try a piece of cake.
I really love cake. Let me try now. Yummy! This is the most delicious cake I have ever eaten. Thank you everyone for this surprise. Thank you everyone for preparing a surprise and funny birthday party for me.
Let's start the party.
Peppa Pig's family continues to enjoy a happy birthday party together. Goodbye. See you in next video.